Hello everybody, my name is Jennifer and in today's lesson we are going to discuss the topic of clothing. Do you prefer spending your time shopping? In my case, I like shopping with my friends instead of going alone. What about you? Post your comment below. What do you see in this video? Here we can observe many people making purchases in a mall that has several sections. One area of the store includes women's typical items such as clothing, jewelry, and shoes. First of all, we have clothing items. This image, as we can see, shows a glamorous suit. What color is this suit? It is a purple suit and is quite expensive. How much is the suit? It's $70. Which one do you prefer? The purple one or the blue one? In my case, I prefer the purple one. How much is this tank top? It's $5. Which tank top do you like? The yellow one or the green one? I prefer the yellow one. How much is this scarf? It's $2. There are two colored scarves, red and white. Which is prettier, the red or the white scarf? Which one do you prefer? In my case, I prefer the red one because it's my favorite color. How much is this coat? It's $100. Which coat do you prefer? The gray one or the white? In my case, I prefer the gray one, and I think that these two girls have two gorgeous coats. This is a hoodie. How much is this hoodie? It's $5. Which one do you prefer? The pink one or the orange one? I prefer the orange one. How much is this skirt? It's $10. In this case, I prefer the peach one. Now, let's talk about shoes. How much are these high heels? They $50. How much are these cowboy boots? They are $50. Which one do you prefer? The red ones or brown ones? I prefer the red ones. How much are these knee-high boots? They're $50. How much are these flip-flops? They're $5. Now, we're going to talk about jewelry. How much is this bracelet? It's $100. This is a pearl necklace. How much is this pearl necklace? It's $200. This is a pair of earrings. How much are these earrings? They're $15. Thanks for watching this lesson.